What did we buy, Alyssa?
We bought a couch!
So this is a 3.5 sofa, Ektorp. Okay. We've been eyeing about getting a new couch for a while,
I've
you
been
know.
eyeing this couch for like 2 years.
And she's pregnant and she was like, yeah, let's go.
I'll show you the face I made.
It was on sale, so
It was on sale. We had the van.
we had the in-laws, so we had the van, we didn't have to pay for shipping. So yeah, we bought the couch and we're gonna put this together in front of you guys.
Aren't you lucky? Q, this will also take twice as long because we have to film everything and Chubba will make me stop before we do anything. Let's take a moment of silence for that. The fact this could go so much quicker. Let's get into it! Do you want me to do the slow-mo? How are we gonna get rid of this box?
Eddie's like,
Freddie's never seen a box so big.
yeah, that's gonna be yours here very soon.
You see the box?
Yeah.
It's the biggest box in the world.
So, this is,
Cushion. It looks very full.
yeah, nice.
Da-da-da-da. Look what I found. Leg. No one person. You need 2 people.
Check.
So we got screws, knobs, 4 legs. Should we count this to make sure we have it all
Yes,
fresh?
I like to do that. Too big wide.
Helicopter swirly girly tea. That's pretty nice for a couch. That's all
Yeah,
it
a
needs.
whole couch, that's crazy.
Oh my god, you just completed step 1!
We're gonna put these things into, and the long
No,
side.
the short side.
The short side.
I can do that.
I think everything is in.
Cool. Let's do the other side.
Turning it on the back side.
Oh cool, I can see it on the bottom here now. I can see the screws, man. So you need to leave a little wiggle room.
Okay.
Oh, because the other thing's gonna tighten it up real tight. So you don't have to make it real tight. Put it in! Put it in harder.
So basically what happened is that we used 2 of these instead of the 2 bigger plastic ones on the sides in the back here. So we kind of have to undo what we did.
We have to go backwards.
We have to go backwards. Maybe that's something that the instructions could have pointed out a little more, because
Which washer was it supposed to be?
yeah, because these washers look pretty the same. I mean, I know that they use a number code, so if you look at the number code of what item you should use, then technically it's like it's fair safe, but that's okay.
You know what?
It's just a small backtrack.
Small backtrack. It's not IKEA unless you have to backtrack a little.
Yeah. This is a challenging step, but I just wanted to make sure that everything is nice and tight, right? Nice.
So
now
I'm
we're
doing
in.
a very crucial part. The felting.
This is not even in the thing. It's just like an
This
extra
is an
step.
extra step. It's still stronger than oh! Da, 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 da.
Beauty.
Look at that.
Nice, nice.
And according to
nice.
IKEA, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, behold.
Yeah.
We got another box to open. This is 16 pounds. 16 pounds of cover, man.
Wow.
Also 7 kilos.
For all them European viewers. Yeah, there's something. I'll do the honors.
And we paid the extra for the gray cover.
We did, yeah.
Everyone else is like, oh, beige.
Beige.
Not us.
Ooh, beige.
Step 1, remove it from the box. Oh, iron. You're supposed to iron it. I'm not gonna iron it.
No.
Yes, queen.
Look at that.
Cushion 1.
Massage it there, honey.
Air back into the cushion.
Nice.
And not from the cushion air in China. Fresh Fall River air. Ah! Let's put it into place. Ooh.
I feel like you're so high.
This is very high up.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like, sit down. Oh. So, I really like how it looks though.
I think so too.
I like the colors. I like how it feels too.
Very sturdy. Look at this. It doesn't shake.
You know?
That's how I know it's good.
So I guess we cannot really give a proper review on this.
Yeah, we'll talk base in a couple of weeks, couple
Yeah,
months.
in a couple of weeks when we have our thing, we're gonna let you know. Because right now this really feels
We
awesome.
have finishing touches. Ooh.
Really.
Ah.
So I would say putting together was fairly easy. I still think we need 2 people. Right now it feels very fresh. Very,
I'm actually very comfortable.
yeah. But yeah, I'm glad it turns out. I really like how it looks. That was the couch putting together
Unboxing.
tour, unboxing. As far as life update goes, pregnancy is still a-okay.
Everything on my test results was perfect.
Everything is perfect.
Nothing is wrong.
Yeah,
No diabetes, no preeclampsia, no nothing. Awesome baby vesseling.
yeah. And now we're probably gonna watch Jesus Christ Superstar.
That's what we were supposed to watch while building this.
Oh shit, you're right.
Dang it! Oh, the worst Easter tradition. It is Easter, that's our Easter tradition.
So happy Jesus, folks.
Opulence!